হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল। কথা না বাড়িয়ে চলুন আজকের ভিডিওটি শুরু করা যাক। তার আগে বলে নিই, ভিডিওটি যদি আপনার ভালো লেগে থাকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে বেল আইকনের অল নোটিফিকেশনটি চালু করে নিন, যাতে নেক্সট ভিডিওগুলো সবার আগে পেতে পারেন। Hello viewers, today I will show you how to speed up your Windows 10 performance and also how to fix slow startup and boot on Windows 10. So let's begin. First of all, we need to go to Task Manager, Alter Control plus Delete, and then go to Startup and disable all unnecessary programs from here. Okay, done. Okay, just go to My Computer, open the Properties option, Advanced System Settings. Here you will see the Advanced tab. Go to the Settings and then select Custom and untick all the things I will show you here, except smooth edges of screen front and show thumbnails instead of icon, and then click apply and then okay. Next go to run, Windows key plus R, search services.msc, then find here Windows search option, double click on it, make it here in your computer there could be automatic or automatic delay start. You make it disable, then stop and then apply and then okay. Next, Windows Update, double click on it, also make it disable and then stop, also apply and okay. Go to system settings, then system, go to storage and turn on the storage sense option, make it on. Then from here, temporary files, delete everything from here. Here could be your previous Windows. When you update your Windows 10, the previous version of Windows took a huge space like a few GB. So you can delete all of these, tick mark all and then clear. Okay, go to disk cleanup, disk disk cleanup, C, and then clean up system files. Also disk defragment, choose your C and then optimize. It could take a little bit time, so you can minimize it. Okay, then go to your control panel, uninstall a program, and then you can uninstall all the unnecessary program you don't need. Okay, our next step, watch carefully. Type ms config. In general, select the selective startup, load system services and load startup items. Tick mark this one. And in the boot option, here in your computer should be 30-second timeout. Make it 5. And from services, hide all Microsoft services. Then click apply. Okay. Here you can restart your PC, but I will do it later for the video purpose. Okay, then go to run, type regedit, regedit, regedit. Go to local machine, then go to current control set. Now from system you will find current control set. Okay, this one. Then services, then find session manager. Oh sorry, from control find session manager. From control say okay, let me tell you one more time. Go to your local machine, then current control set, then control, and then session manager. Go to tab memory management, tick on memory management, and here you can see clear page file at shutdown. Make it value to 1 and then okay. Then go to H key current user, control panel, and then go to mouse, find mouse hover time, this one. Your value should be 400, make it 10, click OK, and down there, no sorry, a little bit up, you will see the desktop, and then menu show delay. Find the menu show delay. Menu show delay. Double click on it. Make the value also 10. Click OK. Then go to your local machine. Then go to software. Then go to Microsoft. Then go to Microsoft. Where is Microsoft? Software. Microsoft. Find Windows NT. Go down there. Windows NT. then current version, go to multimedia. Okay, then system profile, system responsiveness, the value should be 14, make it 0. Then system profile, tasks, go to the game folder, here you will see GPU priority, make it 8, and also the priority should be 6. Then here you all done, then just restart your PC. After finish all the things, you can restart your PC. Then you will get a super fast Windows 10. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video.